hole. Ultra radio. Cool. For hanging the top one, the head, your glue has got to be a little bit stiffer. I never worry about doing a line when there's another tile in the back there, and it's all white grout, so it all looks one piece anyway. And push it up. Ooh. Nice and firm. And there we have it. Nearly clocked myself in the chops then. There we go. This niche has had a little bit of a mind of its own, this one, this morning, but hello. And that sounds like the cops. No, it might be ambulance. When that dries, you're always looking for evenness. It's pretty good. Not bad. Check your miters. Check the evenness, that the quirk is the same. Where is it? That's good. I'm happy with that. That's good. That's lovely. Now I think I'll do the grey grout in that, same as the floor. It would look like bricks then. Cool. Okay. Now we're on to the second one. We'll just knock those out. once I've done that, I can get all my tools out of here and everything and start taking out these clips and start grouting, and then I'll be ahead for tomorrow. I've just noticed something that's not square. I need to get that square. That back in. That side's not bad, but this was a fair bit out. It's hard to see sometimes. You just got to check it from different angles. Okay, good. Right, have I got enough glue out of there? That's pretty good. Good one.